Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to change selected text superscript in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open our Word document and write some text. Now we change selected text superscript, write something number like 1 2 3 4. Then select the two and go to the home menu and click superscript option. Now we see 2 are superscript. Then try more and more in this process. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.